Reason why there's not really a say like template or a way to do this, because every time you do a competitor analysis. Hello and welcome back to another week in the life. We're gonna call this one. Let's call this week in the life. It is currently Tuesday. Yesterday was very much it was a meeting light kind of day. Only had like 2 meetings to really do. Today again is another meeting light day. What I am working on right now is something slightly different to what I usually work. Acting more of a service designer than I am a UX designer, and I'm currently revamping all of our decks of the agency that I work for. I've already done the tender decks. I'm currently working on the case study decks just to make sure they look good when they go out to clients and whatnot. In 15 minutes I do have an external call with a girl that messaged me on LinkedIn and is to talk about an app that she has an idea for, so we're just going to run through that. And then that's probably either going to go into freelance work or I'll recommend it off to somebody else if needed. But it's only a 30-minute call, so I'll bring you along to that. I'll show you as much as I can. Later on this afternoon, I also have a mentor session. If you didn't know, I'm a part of Mentor Design Academy. Currently, I have 2 mentees under my name and I mentor them for 30 minutes a week. I have on a Tuesday and another I have on Thursdays. Some of the work that they've submitted, giving them some feedback and stuff like that. So whenever I do those things, I'll show you as well. But yeah, just thought I'd bring you along what it's like to work fully remote for an agency. So come along. Of course, I have Rachel Rambles going on in the background. If you don't watch Rachel Rambles, go watch her. Just heading over onto Superpeer, so this is where my call is taking place today. I'm so lucky that they actually decided to pay me for this call, so that's nice. We're just going to jump on this call now. I am a little early. It's not starting until 1:30, but I'm just going to jump on quick. Set up and ready. Stop yawning. I think that's where because what you'd want to look into is to see if there's any competitors out there who's doing the same thing. So maybe do like a competitor analysis and just have a feel for what type of stuff that they are doing. You'd want to talk, so you'd want to talk to a developer from step 1 to 6, and then step 7 and 8 is something that I start looking at. That's fine. I didn't say that's fine, honestly. The only thing I was going to ask is, when you were putting your prototype together, did you follow your user journey that you set out? It is a bit in-depth, but that's what we do anyways when it comes to when you will be doing this in real life. Follow the user journey that you set out. So when you land on a screen, you click an interaction, that goes to another screen, then that goes to another screen, and that goes to another screen. She shows a simple flow. Hello. Yeah, I'm good. How are you? Hello, it is now Thursday. I can't say I didn't do anything yesterday. Of course I did work yesterday, chopping and changing it. I just really didn't have time to set up the camera, and also, let's give that a minute. And also, I just really didn't feel like vlogging yesterday. So we're back today, Thursday. We're a bit more refreshed, we're showered, we're all good. I finally have my hairdryer back so I can style my hair a bit better. Because that was throwing me off as well, to be honest with you, that I didn't have a hairdryer because it decided to break. But we got a new one.
The hairdryer was a flop and had to be returned.
This week I've been pretty much working on tender processes, the brand consistent, getting the templates consistent. Right now I'm actually putting a tender deck together with using the actual template that I designed specifically for tenders. Obviously, unfortunately, I can't show you the tender, but yeah, and just going through now, just using some of the brand and then making sure that that's then put into these tenders. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the morning. Yeah, I had a good deal on these because when I was on maternity leave, my partner's company that he worked for at the time gave him a gift card for John Lewis, which was like £200 odd. So like he knew I wanted headphones, so he went to John Lewis and got me headphones. Right, that's the company meeting over, and I also got a package when I was on that meeting, but I'm pretty sure I know what this is, and I think it's extra camera gear. Oh! Okay, there's only half of my order. Is the one bit coming, like, in a different pack? New headphones, and also I could have got these with the actual adapter on it, but then that means that I can't use these with anything else. These are going to come in handy on the plane. My Bluetooth headphones will probably conk out halfway through, and because it's an 11-hour flight, I know these will be relatively comfortable, and then it's also good to be able to use them with my phone. I haven't had them for that long, but seriously, for some reason, can you hear that? Every time I put it in my ear, it just sounds this whooshing sound and this squeaking sound, and it's so annoying. Currently watching 20 whatever podcasts as well in the background while I carry on working. About to jump into a mentor call. I mentor pretty much twice a week right now, once on a Tuesday and once on a Thursday. This is my second session of the week. I just had a little check in the background. I do actually have some mentor work to grade. We'll go through that a little bit later, but first of all, let's just jump on this mentor call. I did see that you've submitted an assignment. I just haven't had a chance to take a look yet, but it's on my list today to do. The reason why there's not really a, say, like template or a way to do this, because every time you do a competitor analysis, you're looking at different products, you're looking at different features, you're looking at different things, so it's hard to replicate it all the time. But the top instance of it is products which are relevant to the one that you're designing, and then checking out their features, see what they are offering compared to what you are offering, and see who has a competitive advantage in the market. But yesterday I was meant to do my mentor assignment marking, and the day just got away from me. This morning, that's what I'm going to concentrate on. I'm just going to go through the assignments that have been submitted, and then I'm going to write some feedback that will be emailed over. right, I think we're going to leave it there for this video. It's an honest representation of my life. It's an honest representation of the job that I currently do, and I just wanted to give a little bit more clarity and a little bit reality to the UX industry and where we are right now. If you want any more like this, then please let me know in the comments below for one-on-one mentoring sessions over on Superpeer. If that's something you're interested in, there's a link in the description below. And I also have a newsletter called Handover where I send out UX related content every single month. So again, if that's something you're interested in, there's a link in the description below. And until next time, bye!